Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel in Auto Addiction. Today we're going to get worked on the F250 project. So what we're going to do is I started putting the door handles and stuff back together, and as you can see right in here, zoom in here, these seals right back here, they're like a plastic seal. So the plastic is all deteriorated and crappy looking, so we're going to pull this door handle back off, and then I'm going to paint it all. Paint all the plastic, and I actually got new door handles that will be here, so we're gonna get the new door handles put on this episode. So stay tuned, and appreciate everybody watching. And I don't know if you guys can see, there's a bolt right there, and then there's one tucked kind of like up in here by the window channel. So I gotta pull those both bolts out. They're like a 10mm. They're kind of a pain in the butt to get to, and then this door handle will come right out. So I get that done, and then but you can see right here is one of my old ones. So you can see this gasket right here. It's just a plastic gasket. You see how this part's all nice and shiny black. This part looks like crap. So I'm gonna take them all apart, brake clean them all, get them all nice and prepped, and then I'll paint them all with some POR15, and then put like a clear over top of them. So that way, you know, it'll look good when I put all the new handles on. So yep, my interior's still riding on the stool. But headliner's looking good, so we can get to work here and then get some more stuff done on the F250 project. Alright guys, so we're finally pulling the truck in the shop to get rid of this outer door handle issue. I'll go in more to it in a second, but so this is how I've been having to get into the truck, through the dang window. Pop it from the inside, and it sucks. So let's get in here and get some dang handles put on it. Bear with you guys. So we have the truck in the shop, and before I get to the door handles, just running new wires for the amp. My wire before was real short, so now I got the carpet out. But nice thing about the Ford is I got a nice spot to run it through the firewall. And I'm gonna zip tie it all down. I got my amp controller. So I'm gonna pretty up all the wiring and stuff. Hopefully get the carpet and stuff in tonight as well. But let me go grab the door handles. I'll pop those things open real quick. Alright guys, popped up one of the door handles. So these are my old ones, you know, and I started putting them back on. You can see like in the corner, see how bad that chrome is. So I didn't want to put them all back together. See how that chrome's all blistered. And then, as I said in the beginning of the video, I was going to pull all these door pads out and then paint them all, because you see how crappy they look on the outside. Well, whenever I made that entry video, I pulled in the shop, started taking all these panels apart, taking the pads apart and cleaning them. Here's another old one right here. And I ended up losing one of these. So then I was super frustrated, man, because I was like, dang it, man, you can't find these anywhere. So my brother gives me a shout, and he actually found them. If you go to Bronco Graveyard, and you can't just type in like door pads or door handle pads. You actually got to go into their specialty items, and then you can buy them from them. So got them brand new. I mean, they're like $8 for the pair. So I got 2 pairs, so I can do all 4 of them, and then I got some door handles or door panel clips because it was the same shipping, so whatever, $30 later. But here's the new handles, so all nice and new looking. So I'm gonna start installing these bad boys, and then get with you guys as soon as I get there. But at least wanted to show you the comparison. So I'll get one put in, but you can just see how crappy these other ones look. They're just all pitting. So I put one on, and next to the brand new paint, I just didn't want to see all this cracks in the chrome and stuff. Just didn't want it to look like crap. So if anybody needs some door handles, just message me. You know, if you just need some because yours are broken, I mean, more than likely, dude, if you're local, you can just come pick them up from me. I'm in Florida, so I'll give you these old door handles. I don't really care. I'll probably steal the hardware from my, I'll take this, use some of the bolts and stuff for them, but other than that, you guys are welcome to them, so just let me know. I got the amp wire all ran along the door, got all zip tied in with the factory wiring, also my amp control. So let's go back here now, and we'll go over here to the other side of the shop, show you guys my carpet. Since I'm trying to save as much money as I can, on the build, and my house just got demoed and remodeled and all that fun stuff. So took the carpet, pressure washed it, and I had the detail guys go over it with their shampooer. But for a 20-year-old carpet, man, it looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna use this carpet for now, but looks pretty freaking awesome. The door spot's right there, but the seat bolt's right there. But other than that, man, looks pretty good. So all right, we'll get back to work on the F250, and then I'll show you guys the handles once I put a couple of them in. So front end's still looking nice. Appreciate you guys checking in. Appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel, man. We're at like 730 or 40 subscribers, so trying to hit that 1K mark. So if you're new checking in, this is one of my projects, 97 F250 4-door. So trying to get ready for Daytona. My house just killed me, so any support is much appreciated. So appreciate it, guys, and I'll start knocking out these handles, and then I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, we're back. Got 2 of the handles on the driver's side, so look pretty nice. New pads on there, so let me know what you guys think. I think they look pretty good, so go ahead and get around and do the other side, but just wanted to show you guys real quick. Pads fit pretty good. I had to trim just a little bit. You know, it could be because they're aftermarket pads, or it could be because they're aftermarket door handles. The one thing I do like about the factory door handles better than these ones is these ones are hollow back behind here. Let me show you on this one. So see how mine's solid all the way across, where the aftermarket ones are open. So I mean, just a little cheaper there, but can't find factory door handles that are really in good shape. See, this one's chipping in the corners too, so whatever, you know. Got them on there. So I'll finish up the other side. It's nice I can actually get into the truck now on the outside. Don't have to open the vent window no more, so go around to the other side and get it done. So, got my door back together. My door handles all on. So starting to look like a truck again. Got my amp wire ran. So I mounted the fuse right there. Ran across. So try to tuck it in the best I could back behind there. Of course, it's bright red, so it sticks out. Got my passenger side door handles on. See, man, it just looks so much better with the new pads. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, the pads fit pretty good. They're a little bit off, but I just had to trim out the bottom corners just a little bit. So if you get them and you realize they don't fit, you know, it could be because of the door handles I got, or it could be because of the pads. I don't know, but it looked pretty good, you know. So way better than the plastic that was all faded and nasty looking. So I go ahead and get cleaned up here. Trying to get rid of all this trash. So yeah, F250's making some progress. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what you think of the truck. Man, I'm really struggling, dude. I want to order some headlights, which a lot of you guys on the forum said CP Addicts has awesome headlights. Some other guys mentioned another dude on Facebook, so still gotta check and see what kind of funds I got for that. Sorry, I just picked up some trash, but at least I don't have to go through my wing window no more to get inside the truck, so that's a plus. Probably take it back over there. I left this piece off. It's just kind of here because they're gonna spray up underneath there, and a little bit of surface rust, you know, down where water collects and stuff. So they gotta spray all that for me. The radiator support's looking good, so go check out the last video. I'll do a link to that at the end. But yeah, guys, so F250 is coming along. Appreciate all the support. And let me know what you guys think. If you got any questions on the truck, comment below. Also, you know, I got an 86 Cutlass that's over in the paint shop now. They're working on that, so should be pretty cool. Also, let me know what you guys think. I ordered some F250 just XLT badges. Mine say heavy duty, so I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. So there's the one with the old pads. So whenever you put these on, you had all that nastiness sticking up, so just didn't want to put it back together all sun-baked. You know, personal preference, but like I said, I maybe spent between the handles and the door pads maybe $90, something like that, for all 4 door handles and the pads. So can't really beat that. Paint's looking good though, man. It hasn't even been wet sanded yet, so. Yep, she's looking good. And then yeah, you guys stay tuned too, because I just picked up another project for the channel. I gotta get this one done first, and then I'll move on to another one. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. I'm super stoked to get my door handles back on. Hopefully get the carpet back in later. And wow, see how brittle those things were. I just barely moved it, the thing just fell apart. So get all this trash thrown away, get the inside cleaned up, get all these doors shut and stuff, and try to get out of here for the night, and then maybe come back later on. I'll film another video for you guys of putting the carpet and stuff in. But super pumped, man. Super pumped to see the F250 back on the road. Still gotta fix the AC, and I gotta put a center support bearing in the drive shaft. So those are the 2 things I have to do to get it roadworthy, man, because you know it's gonna be hot. Up in Daytona in June, summer in June is probably like 90-degree weather, 95, humid, nastiness. So if you're coming down for the truck show, make sure you drink tons of water. Make sure you stay hydrated, because it's going to be hot, man. So looking at those trucks all day, there's not a lot of shade out there at the raceway. Hopefully I'll have a canopy set up, so if you guys want to stop by and say what's up, I appreciate it. See you guys on the next video. Hey, and I'm going to put some video footage at the very end of this from, there was a OBS truck meet over in Lakeland. So there's probably like, I don't know, 15, 20 trucks there. I'm going to post up some of those pictures at the very end of this video. So thanks to the dude that set that up. His name's Cody. And appreciate all you guys' support. Comment below, let me know. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate it.